Stop writing hundred of media queries. In this video, I will show you how to make your website responsive using a modern approach that replaces all of that with just one line of code. So let's start with a typical responsive setup. Here I have a heading with a font size of 48 pixels. On desktop this looks fine, but when we switch to a tablet size screen, the heading looks too large. So to fix this, we need a media query. Now after applying, let's see on mobile phones, the heading is still too large. So we add another media query. Now here is the issue. We added a breakpoint at 440 pixels. But what happens at 441 pixels? At 441 pixels, the previous rule no longer applies and the heading suddenly jumps to a tablet size. And because not every mobile device has the same viewport width, we end up adding more and more media queries. Over time, this becomes harder to read and maintain. So the core problem is already clear. Media queries works in a fixed step. At one breakpoint, the value changes suddenly, but screen sizes change continuously, not a fixed jump. This is why responsive design built only with breakpoints often feel inconsistent. To solve this problem, modern CSS gives us a better approach. Instead of switching values at specific breakpoints, we define a flexible range. This is exactly what the clamp function allows us to do. Clamps works with three values: a minimum value, a preferred flexible value, and a maximum value. For better understanding, let's look at a practical example. Let's add another heading. This time, instead of using media queries, we will make it responsive using clamp. Here, the first value is the minimum size. The second value is the preferred range based on the viewport width, and the third value is the maximum size. As you can see, the heading scales smoothly across all sizes. There is no sudden jumps and we don't need multiple media queries. A single line of CSS handles the responsiveness more cleanly. Now, let's summarize what we covered. Media queries work with breakpoints, clamp work with ranges, and in many cases, one line of CSS can replace multiple media queries. So, if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for modern CSS tutorials. And thanks for watching.